Here at DGrade, we recycle PET plastic. We take plastic bottles and we take them to our plant in Kizad in Abu Dhabi, where we flake them into flake. Once we have the flake, we turn the flake into fibre, and once we have the fibre, we spin it into our green spun trademark yarn. When we have the yarn, we can make it into all different kinds of products, such as my t-shirt. People are amazed when they find out about what we do and when they see the quality of the clothing that we make. What we don't want is to produce a cheap, single-use quality item that's going to get thrown away. So we have really good quality, and people are very happy and surprised to see their plastic bottles being made into clothing.